Do you want to start a business and you don't know how to go about it? Or you have already started a business and it failed you? I have been in your shoes before. Few years ago, I started a restaurant business. It was my dream. It was my passion because I love cooking so much. And this business, when it kicked off, we were all happy. Boss lady, everybody was hailing me. You've tried, you did a good, amazing job. 2 months into that business, everything stopped. No sales. I couldn't even pay my workers. I was frustrated. I was shattered. In fact, I had to lock that business after 6 months, trying. I was looking for someone to sell that business to, but I couldn't find anyone to buy that business. In fact, I went home sleeping and I was thinking about my life, what next to do. And a call came in. And that call changed my life. That call changed my narrative about a business. In this video today, I am going to be showing you how you can start your own business, whether it's online, whether it's offline, and run a profitable, successful business. Because any business that you're starting, you need a return on your investment. And that is what I'm going to teach you step by step, the simplest way that you can start a business. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try hit on the button and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, I am so happy and so lucky to have you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Let's dive into this video. Today, I am going to be showing you 8 simple ways that you can start your business, and make happy, online or offline. Online, you just need your smartphone and a connection, internet connection. But you don't just start a business just like that without having any knowledge about what you want to do. Join me, guys. Number 1, you need to find your niche. Discover your niche. What do I want to sell? What kind of business do I want to do? Is this products? Is it service based? Do I want to render service to people? You need to discover what exactly do you want to do. Finding your niche. Ask yourself a question. What problem do I want to solve in my community? Or in the location that you are, anywhere you are, what kind of problem do I want to solve? It's very, very important. These are the things that you need to place in front ahead of starting something. And then you need to research about that business. When you have discovered that what exactly that you want to do, you have to start researching about that business. Either you go online and start researching about the business and you start asking questions. Know how much the business can cost you. Know how you can fund the business. It's very, very important. You can also have a mentor, someone that you can always ask a question, ask about the business, anything that is happening, ask questions. It's very, very important when you're trying to start any type of business. Just like I told you, whether it's online, whether it's offline, you need all these things. Research about the business because you can't just start something you don't know about. The next thing is to target your audience. Number 2, who are my audience? Who is this business for? Who am I creating this business? Is it for young people? Is it for old people? Is it for adults? Is it for kids? These are what you need to put in place. How old are they? What gender? Is it female or men? It's very, very important that you try and know all these things before you even start your own business. The next one is you start researching about your competitors because every business have competition. And if you don't know your competitors, I'm so sorry for you. You need to start researching about your competitors. Know the price. The price of their, whatever their pricing is for the services or their products. You need to know how they are running their business so that you know which gap you want to fill. If you are ever going to, correct your own or whatever, or you have your own ideas or how you want to run your own business. These are very, very important. Your business. The next one is to brand your business. Branding your business is very, very important. And you need to create a unique business name for your business. Your logo, your mission statement, your team and everything. How do you want people to recognize you? Once they see you, this is what you should put in place. brand your business. It makes people to trust you as well and gives you credibility under your business. And the next one right now is you need to make your business official. Go and register your business. Go to your local authorities and register your business. Like in Nigeria, we have CAC. That is where you register your business. People trust you more when they know that your business is registered. So right now we go to the next step. Next step is to find a location for your business and create a website. There's no business that doesn't have a location and a website. So you need to find a very strategic place. If you are doing offline business, find a very visible place, because your business needs to be very, very visible and where you can make sales. It needs to be accessible, and you also need to create a website for your business where people can also find you online. You need to create different social media pages on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube as well, so that people can have access easier for you. Why people are talking about social media? Because social media has enough audience that can make you daily sales, that can make you daily income. So it's very, very necessary to make sure that you include all these places on your pages. Create them, create your website. The next step is to promote and market your business. Before you launch a business, you're supposed to be talking about your business, either word of mouth or sponsored ads, or you market your business online. Any place that you know that your business is, that you have created avenue for that business, you need to start marketing it so that people will anticipate, people will look forward to that your business coming soon. That's why you see some people, before they launch a particular product, they start doing advertisement, coming soon, anticipate, so that they will look forward to that business, so that when you launch, it will not be new for them and you have a massive sales launching your new business. People need to know that you are coming. When you launch any business, you need to start promoting that business. You need to start marketing that business so that people can anticipate, people can look forward to that your business. That's why you see coming soon, new arrival, this one, they need to explain to people what is going to happen. So even if you are using word of mouth, some people use email marketing, you use a contact list, use WhatsApp and send broadcast messages to people. Let them know that you are coming. So whether you're using online marketing, whether you're going to use sponsored ads, whether you can use you need to let them know, so that on the day of launch you are going to have a massive sale. So whether you're going to use word of mouth, sponsored ad, digital marketing, if you cannot handle it, you can give it to somebody that can do it for you. You can do email marketing, you can do text messages, or collect the contacts of people around you and promote. You can also run a sponsored ad about that business. Let that business continue to be a reminder and in the face of people. This is one of the things that you need to do before you start that business. So people also do WhatsApp broadcast to the people that you have, and you need to start collecting all these numbers and be sending them messages, but don't bombard them with message. Is very, very necessary. Then the next one is you launch your business. Congratulations if you made it to this point. When you launch your business, you continue to promote, you continue to monitor your business, and in the first 6 months, that is when you might start seeing your profits, to continue promoting and marketing your business, because that is when work starts. Anytime you stop marketing, that business dies. So this is what you need to start doing. Keep promoting, keep marketing, and keep looking for customers and your audience. Keep bringing new things, new updates to them to keep the business alive. This is what people do, successful people do. You don't just stop once you launch a business, you think you have arrived. No, that is when work starts. Thank you guys for watching. If you have watched it this time, thank you for always watching. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post videos like this, you will be able to get notification. Thank you guys. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.